Hello, welcome back to my channel. So if like me, all you see when people do flat twist is an uncontrollable sequence of hand movement, I am going to share with you how I ended up understanding it. So this is how I see it. In theory, it is just a twist close to the scalp, but for this to be possible, all the hair found in the space where the twist is supposed to lay has to disappear. No, you don't have to cut your hair. What you do is include the hair in the twist as you go. Reason why we start with 2 strands of hair and include small pieces of the hair around that area into the twist as we go. I have been in the braid business for a while now, but it is only recently that flat twisting, at least this method, surfaced here in Cameroon. So I consider myself a beginner. Reason why I am not going to call this video a tutorial. This is not a tutorial, I beg. I styled my hair once with flat twist, and since then my friend Anne Mabe will not let me rest. She has been asking for a tutorial since then. This is your video, my dear. I use beeswax or gel to get more hold, but you don't have to use it. You don't have to. Always start by taking out a small piece of hair that you will use as base for the twist. I skip this part sometimes when I'm doing smaller twists, but it does not look good with bigger ones. Now we are twisting on the right side, so the right hand goes up and the left hand goes down. The index finger of the left hand, the hand which is down, does all the twisting and the adding of hair. When you twist for the first time, the piece of hair that comes down is added to the bulk of hair we are working with. Then you use the index finger to add hair to the initial piece of hair, to that initial piece of hair. Now, on the right hand, the index and the thumb decide how strong the twist is going to be. Keep them close to the scalp if you want tight twists, but loosen them up if you want chunkier twists. Make sure you don't leave out the initial piece of hair while adding hair. It has never happened to me because it naturally stands out, but one can never know. While adding the hair, pull the initial strand of hair and the amount of hair you want to add to it, pull them down. It makes it easier to separate, makes it easier to add the hair. You must have noticed it in the video by now. When you twist, when you add the hair, you bring down the hair from the right hand first before you take out the hair from the left hand. This may sound ridiculous to some of you who already had the basics about flat twisting, but trust me, for some of us who didn't know how this thing works, it is very important. This information is very important. My flat twists normally do not look this bad. I promise. I think it has to do with the fact that I'm trying to film this video. I'm trying to get the best angle for you to see what is going on. Once you get to the end where there is no longer hair to add, you just keep twisting like you would normally do. I am just going to shut up and let you watch while I do this for the last time. I hope you find this video helpful. Tell me in the comment section what you learned about flat twist today. Like I always say, things are definitely going to get better for you soon. They can never stay the same. Take care. Bye.